Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you GIGAWATTS products. Let's get started. Are you searching for a welding machine that delivers exceptional power? Look no further than the GIGAWATTS 200 ampere inverter arc welding machine. This remarkable welding machine combines advanced technology with a range of features to enhance your welding experience. A power boost button, hot start and anti-stick functions, digital display, force and current controller, compact and lightweight design, airflow for heat dissipation, perfect for wide range of metals, cast iron, mild steel, sheet metal, metal cage, square pipe, stainless steel. GIGAWATTS. Innovate your life with cutting-edge technology.